So this could be true for some things, things that regard preference, but it can't be true about objective claims about reality. And oftentimes people extrapolate this idea of different truths to objective things when it's only supposed to be subjective things. So I've had this happen to me. I'll tell someone the gospel and they say, "Oh, I love that you're passionate about Jesus. I agree with you. I like what you said." But then they also say, "Oh, I just believe in a higher power. Oh, I believe in the universe. I think the universe will do me good." And then they'll say, "We really worship the same God." The problem with this is not an instance where we can both be right. This isn't a subjective instance. But we realize that not all religions can be true. And that's Christianity standard, that's Jesus standard, and that's logic standard. Buddhism and Hinduism, they all say that there's millions of gods. But Christianity says there's only one God. Islam says Jesus wasn't crucified and that he wasn't God. But Christianity hinges on the fact that Jesus was God and that he was crucified and raised again. So Christianity and Islam and New Age and Buddhism and Hinduism, they can't all be true because they contradict each other.